everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Kayla Rundle, and today I chose to use R1 Concepts brakes. I do R1 Concepts on all of my daily use OEM stock-like vehicles. That improves the performance and braking more than OEM. Today I am changing brakes on my mom's car. She has a 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD PRO. I went with the Optimum OEP series brake pads. So these babies will be going on the car. Let's get the wheels off of the front. And we're gonna do one corner at a time since my scissor jack does not lift this kind of vehicle. Wow, these are some of the lowest brake pads in the That bottom caliper bolt was impossible to reach, so I made this whole contraption. I did an extension and a little wobbly guy and then the socket. What the heck? They don't make that easy to access at all. So I got both of the caliper bolts out. Hopefully this thing just comes off now. I just have this brake line I'm worried about. Oh, that brake line's rock hard, so now I have to take off the bracket thing, which looks like 12 millimeter something. It's a 12. Well, that was easy. This thing should come off. Oh, it's the only thing that ever works is a solid hammer, not a rubber. Booyah. And here's the old one off the car. A little bit rusted. Honestly, not too bad of a lip. Not too bad. All right, got the new pad now, or the new rotor. Super heavy. I'm just gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on this hub. All right. Oh my goodness. I always just grab a lug nut if there's not a rotor set screw, and it'll hold the rotor in place a little bit easier. Just like that. I am going to clean up that caliper. I'm gonna get some brake cleaner and degreaser, clean it up as much as I can, and then I'm gonna grease the back of the new pads and grab those. My mom's brakes.
Really?
Yes.
How's that going?
I finished the front left corner and I'm putting the wheel back on right now. These wheels and tires are just heavy.
Do it in the next couple weeks or the next couple days. We'll see.
wanted to finish this car. Time to whip through these brakes. I did the other side pretty quickly. It was really simple, and I forgot to film the main part. All right, just took out the rear metal thing to hold in these pins, and these pins literally slide with just my hand. And then I believe this is the pad spreader. Ow, just pinched myself, take that out. And these pads should slide out. Old pads, done. Those are gonna be trash. And now we just have to take off the rotor bolt and this screw up here that holds it in. Because when I took off the caliper, this is what needed to come off. Whew. One bolt out. Ow. I'm going to show you guys how to put this together since I didn't a few minutes ago. I got the new brake pads versus the old. So these are the old ones. You can see how thin they are, and these are the new ones. So these didn't have a lot of life left, and these are a lot thicker. It's going to be a lot safer, as my mom almost didn't have any brakes. So I'm going to use my C-clamp, probably with the old brakes, to push the pistons back. Done with the fronts. Fronts went really easy. Hardest part was getting the rotors off. These should zap off and hopefully be easy as well. Rear calipers have a different design. I have to take off the caliper and then the bracket, so not everything at once, and then the rotors, and we should be set. And it is definitely not a 19. It's smaller sizes.